Students, today we discuss about binary addition. Yesterday we studied about different types of number systems we used in a computer, and today we learn how to do binary addition. All the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be performed on binary numbers in the same way the operations are performed on decimal numbers. In binary addition, if you want to add 3 plus 10, it gives 3 is a decimal number and 10 is also a decimal number. सिंपल जैसे हम नॉर्मल अपना एडिशन करते हैं तो हमने 3 प्लस 10 किया 13 आया. नो हमें सम करना है ना बाइनरी वे, तो बाइनरी में बाइनरी एडिशन करना है तो बाइनरी एडिशन के रूल्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज 0 प्लस 0 0, 0 प्लस 1 1, 1 प्लस 0 1 एंड 1 प्लस 1 इज 0 विथ कैरी 1. अब हमें एडिशन करना है 0 1 1 एंड प्लस 1 0 1 0. So we start at the right column, proceed left, carry 1 whenever necessary. Then 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. तो कैरी 1 ऊपर आया तो 1 प्लस 0 1 एंड 1 प्लस 0 1 आ गया. सेम 0 प्लस 1 1. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन परफॉर्म बाइनरी एडिशन. Now, encoding schemes or string representation. The data in a computer is stored in binary form, and the data can be a numeric data or a non-numeric data, which can be alphabets or any other special characters. These non-numeric data are called alphanumeric data. And there are some predefined codes which are used to represent the numeric and non-numeric characters. And these codes are known as alphanumeric codes. As we know, string is any finite sequence of characters. Any string includes letters, letters, numerals, symbols and punctuation marks. और जो हमारा कंप्यूटर है, कंप्यूटर का जो इंटरनल मेमोरी है या इंटरनली कंप्यूटर इस वे में डिज़ाइंड है कि उसमें हम सिर्फ नंबर्स पे ही कैलकुलेशंस परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर हमें करेक्टर्स को हैंडल करना होगा तो हमें ईच करेक्टर को एक नंबर असाइन करना होगा. एंड दीज आर डन बाय यूजिंग एनकोडिंग स्कीम्स और अल्फान्यूमेरिक कोड्स. So various codes for data representation are ASCII, Unicode and ISCII. ASCII is an American standard code for information interchange. Unicode is Universal Coding Standard and ISCII Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. First is ASCII. It is the most common coding system. It is widely used alphanumeric code which is used in computers to translate text like letters, numbers, symbols into a form that can be sent to and understood by other computers and devices such as modems and printers. It is developed by the American National Standard Institute, and the ASCII character set uses 7 bits for each character, and so it has 2 to the power 7 equals to 128 codes. And two general types of codes are 95 are graphic codes and 33 are control codes, control features of the console or communication channel. Then we have a Unicode. Unicode is the new universal coding standard adopted by all the new platforms. It is a worldwide character encoding standard. Its main objective is to enable a single unique character set which is capable of supporting all characters from all scripts as well as symbols, which are commonly utilized for computer processing throughout the world. It is a character coding system designed to support the worldwide interchange, processing and display of the written text of the diverse languages. A unique number for every character no matter what the platform, no matter what the program, and no matter what the language. Now, significance of Unicode: it enables a single software product or a single website to be designed for a multiple platforms or languages or countries. Unicode data can be used through many different systems without data corruption. It represents a single encoding scheme for all the languages and characters. Now, इसकी और you say that Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. इसकी it is an 8-bit code to represent Indian scripts. In 1991, the Bureau of Indian Standard adopted the ISKI. It is an 8-bit code which allow English and Indian scripts alphabets to be used simultaneously. The Department of Electronics (DOE) has established standard, and standards are in action from 1983. These codes are used for 10 Indian scripts: Devanagari, Punjabi, Gujarati, Odia, Bengali, Assami, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, and Tamil. CDEC developed standard for font coding in 1990 and is called ISFOG, Indian Standards for Font Coding, and it is an 8-bit code capable of coding 256 characters. So these are the encoding schemes. So thank you very much.